Hi, today we are going to learn about tooth abnormalities. First one, abrasion, abnormal pathological wearing away, loss of tooth structure. It's mainly based on toothbrush or occlusal abrasion. Toothbrush most often result in V-shaped wedges at the cervical margins in the canines and premolars, caused by using a hard bristle toothbrush and/or horizontal brushing strokes with a gritty dentifrice. Occlusal abrasion results in flattened cusp on the posterior teeth and wound the incisal edges due to the chewing or biting on the hard foods or objects and chewing tobacco. Attrition, physiological wearing away of enamel and dentin due to normal function or mainly excessive grinding or gritting or cleaning teeth together. Bruxism, the most noticeable effects are polished facets, flat incisal edges that usually develops on the lingo-incisal of the maxillary canines and central incisors, and facio-incisal of mandibular canines, discolored tooth surface, and exposed dentin. Erosion, chemical loss of tooth structure from the non-mechanical means such as drinking acidic liquids, soda, or eating acidic foods, common in bulimists due to the reagitated stomach acids, affects smooth surfaces and occlusal surface of the teeth. Abfraction, lesions are wedge-shaped cervical erosive lesions that cannot be attributed to any particular cause, causing the enamel to pop off starting at the base of the tooth and exposing the gum line of the teeth to excessive wear. Tooth staining, it is of two types, intrinsic staining and extrinsic staining. Extrinsic staining is mainly due to tobacco, coffee, amalgam bacteria, and red wine. Intrinsic staining is example amelogenesis imperfecta, fluorosis, and medications. Intrinsic stainings cause and intrinsic staining colors. Dentinogenesis imperfecta, translucent or opalescent hue, usually gray or to bluish brown. Erythroblastosis fetalis, bluish black, greenish blue, tan or brown. Porphyra, red or brownish. Fluorosis, white opacities or light brown to brownish black. Pulpal injury, starts pink and usually becomes orange brown to bluish black. Internal resorption, pinkish. Tetracycline varies from light yellow to orange to dark brown depending on the type of tetracycline used and duration of therapy. Hypomineralized enamel, white to brown. Extrinsic stain can be caused by bacteria, iron, tobacco, foods, beverages, gingival hemorrhage, restorative materials, and medications. Treatment, most extensive stains can be removed with abrasives, reduce or eliminate the cause of stain. Intrinsic stain may need bleaching, aesthetic or prosthetic restorations, and rehabilitation. Question time. The abnormal loss of tooth structure due to the non-masticatory physical friction is referred as, it's an erosion, abfraction, or attrition, or abrasion. The answer is abrasion. Thank you.